Have you been hit with the message there was a problem streaming data? Please reconnect error code 261 on Roblox? Don't worry, this issue is common, and in this video I'll walk you through how to solve it quickly so you can get back into your favorite games. Error 261 usually means that your Roblox client is losing connection with the servers while trying to stream live data. This can be caused by Roblox server having issues, by a weak or unstable internet connection, or by corrupted cache files on your device. The first thing to understand is that sometimes Roblox itself is down. In that case, no matter what you do on your end, you will keep seeing the error. But if the server are fine, then the problem is most likely on your connection or your device, and that's where a few simple fixes usually work. On PC, refreshing Roblox by clearing the cache or reinstalling the client often solves the problem. Checking your system's time and date settings and making sure your DNS is up to date can also restore a clean connection to Roblox servers. And if you are using a VPN or proxy, turning it off usually helps prevent data streaming errors. On mobile, clearing the Roblox app's cache or reinstalling the app can remove corrupted data that stops the game from streaming properly. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data is also a quick way to check if your connection is the cause. Sometimes the issue is with your router or internet provider. Restarting your router, making sure UPnB is enabled, and avoiding overloaded public Wi-Fi can often make Roblox run smoothly again. If the error only show up on a specific game, then the problem could be with the particular experience rather than Roblox itself. Trying another game or even logging in with a different account can help you find out if it's account specific. So in short, Roblox error 261 usually comes down to either temporary server problems, internet instability, or cache data getting in the way. A quick restart, clearing the app or browser cache, and checking your network settings usually fix it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox error fixes, and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.